Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add or delete extensions in Google Chrome. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to search for any extension. For example, I'm going to search for the SEO and extensions here. So we have to write the SEO extension. So as you can see, and now we have to press enter. As you can see here, you will see some options like detailed SEO extension, metrics, and in this way. Now, for example, I'm going to open this one. So let's click on this and we have right click on this and now we have to click on this as we can open this in another tab. So as you can see now it's open. So simply as you can see, if you want to read the details of the extensions, you can also do that. You have to drag this and you will see all the things like the overview is and like the rating of this and the reviews as well. So you can see all the things regarding the extensions here. You just have to scroll this down and after that you will see some suggestions as well. So we are going to back and after that, as you can see, has the option for the add to Chrome. So we have to click on this. So let's click on the add to Chrome and after that here you will see the option for the add extension. So let's click on this. So as you can see, it's now done. And now what we need to do, we have to wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, now it's done and now it's added into our Chrome. So in this way you can add extensions in your PC. If you want to see that how does it work, so let's click on this and after clicking on this you have to watch the video. If you want to forward it, you can also do that. You just have to see all things that how does it work. For that you have to watch the video and after that you will be able to see that how does it work. And after that, so if you want to delete any kind of extensions, you can also do that. So let's click on this and after clicking on this we have to click on this option, manage extensions. So let's click on this so after clicking on the manage extensions, as you can see, you will see all the extensions here. If you want to see the details of any extensions, you have to click on this. If you want to remove anyone, you can also do that. Or if you want to stop if you want to disable or enable any extension, you can also do that. In this way, you can install extension or remove extension or see the details of extension or disable or enable or make it disable or enable. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.